900 pesos with the contract duration of 45 calendar days. But before we proceed, we would like to request in the Filipino Supera to be the payer. Representative from the end user, Engineer Edilis Campos. We also have our observer for today, Sir Justin Hanagal from JBS, Ma'am Socorro Derecho from Terranova System Incorporated, Ma'am Shaina Maytanyohan, and Sigrid Cesar from Wireless Link Technologies Incorporated, and Jerica Marie G. Over from TechnoSure Electronics and Electrical Supply. Electricity Philippine Conference Contact ID number 25GRD 107 to be discussed by Sir Elias C.
Thank you. Good morning. So we have the, I think this version of our first unit. We have wireless conference system main unit with Bluetooth, Bluetooth 6-channel Wi-Fi frequency, record and play function, fit mode, and 50 meters maximum distance. And we have the wireless chairman unit conference microphone. We have the condenser microphone, wireless delegates unit mic and on button, and directional condenser mic. And we have 6 unit of 5.25 inches wall speaker. So we have indoor-outdoor two-way speaker, and it is approximately 120 watts and 8 ohms. And we have 1000 watts by 2 RNS dual channel crossover professional amplifier. Stereo power at 8 ohms with 1000 watts by 200, I mean by 2 stereo. 4 ohms, or that would be 1500 watts by 2. We have the stereo power, bridge mono power at 8 ohms, or that would be equivalent to 2500 watts and 3000 watts. We have the digital mixer, so it is input by 16 for an Android and iOS tablet, and 8 programmable MIDAS preamp. 8 line input and integrated Wi-Fi module and USB stereo recorder. We have a tablet at least 128 GB with a specification of 13 inches. The liquid retinal IPS LCD, it's 600 nits. 8-core CPU, 9-core GPU, and we have 16-core Neutron engine, 8 GB of RAM. Main camera is 12 MP on front and 1.8 wide dual pixel video. And we have Wi-Fi router and dual band, and you have also a rally camera with a specification of Univolta HD imaging system supports 4K. And we have the extender USB center with a specification of wireless HDMI wireless presenter specification of at least supported with Windows 10 or Mac OS 10.12 with a framework up to 30 FPS, resolution at least 1920 by 1200, and we have the input of 1920 and 1080 HDMI or VGA output. We have the audio HDMI 8mm audio jack, and we have a presentation switch, multi format audio-visual fast switching, and we have the HDMI extender, which is support at least 230 feet or 70 meters, 4K by 60 Hz. We have monitor 19 inches, and we have a cable at least 1 meter, high speed support, 4K resolution, 10 units, and we have the HDMI Ethernet support resolution of 4K also, 4096 by 2160 at 30 Hz. And we have 2 ports 4K HDMI speaker, connect 1 HDMI source to HDMI display at the same time. 12 equipment rack with power strip, microphone extension, cable for chairman mic, and installation and services. So for CCTV, we have at least 4 MP megapixel fixed bullet or dual network camera, and the efficiency is H.265 plus compression technology, clear imaging against strong backlight due to 120 dB water and dust resistance. And we have 32 channels. So NVR 32 channels comes with 4 terabytes storage, or that will be expandable. And we have 32 smart TV. And we have 43 smart TV. And we have network cable outdoor type at 6 wall-mounted data cabinet and accessories. And there will be 8 ports with gigabit managed power over Ethernet or PoE switch with SF backup of UPS is 1.2 kVA with AVR. So we have engineering, raw materials, piping, professional installation, configuration services, modulation. So we have the LED. So it is 2.5 by 2. So that will be 1.95 SMD indoor portable LED display with a dimension of 2500 by 2000 by 75. And that will be with cabinets 8 pieces by 4 pieces, 20 pieces resolution. Materials die has all cabinet weight is 8 dimension or 500 by 500 by 75 screen resolution. And this is for the LED with a diode. LED type is MD 15 by 1515 king light copper. Dimension is 250 by 250 resolution also. So approximately is 20 pieces of 1.95 or P1.95 indoor LED display, and we have 20 pieces also on receiver card. 1 set controller na buzzer, spare parts bracket note that bidders or supplier must provide test verification of conformity. Number 2, bidders or supplier must be authorized distributor of a brand offered. Number 3, bidders must have a safety officer from one of its regular employee. Bidder or supplier must have complete project similar to its item in the bid. Must have a service lead time at least or not more than 2 hours. Bidders must provide product knowledge after installation. And bidders must have an office within Negros Occidental. So that's all.
So is there any question from our suppliers?
Sir, pwede niyo check ang location ng LED ka?
Yan sa conference room. Sa new conference room na.
check yun.
Oo. Pwede mo na picture. Open mo na nasa. Ang sa CCTV?
Yes.
Oo, at least for expandable minsan. For
Sir, ang LED yung fix na sa mga?
pwede na naman makuha na at least sana hindi mag-fix na sa kaya kung may tendency na ma-move na mo dali sa may
Portable LED siya.
at least ma-adjust na
So,
hindi lang sa ma-fix siguro kaya kung i-fix na mo hindi na mo may mga Christmas party may dali sa may gym na mo at least ma-silos na mo.
so bali yung brackets sa portable yun siya.
So any more questions? Ma'am? Sige mo na. Wala akong question. Sir? From Liles, wala.
So far, wala.
More Leslie? May question pa ako. Sa tech closure? Mapili ka mo kang i-site visit. Mabali naman din sa likod naman mo. Hindi updan lang ka mo. Yung server sa camera.
Sa network room.
Sa ID,
Wala naman. Site inspection wala naman. Kaya dili ko lang ang site.
Official doors ng kamera.
Ang camera, ang location mo sa camera, server naman.
Sa likod dito yung additional na
Kasi plan mo ako sir. Kasi plan mo ako sir.
Site plan. So,
Site
sir, kung
plan.
hindi mo tatapangan mo, ang mga
ang yung ano lang sa architect ng
So, after ni ma'am and sirs, pwede ka mo visit na sa mga conference room na bago kung i-install ang mga audio.
Ano na ang speaker? Wall mount?
Wall mounted yun.
Dapat may mga
hindi na pag-agiguro sa babaw pa.
Isa sa
Kasi na ang mga white.
Oo.
Kaya lupan mo lang ito na. Tulupan mo. Mama.
Yung mga site codes sa dahil. Ang strategy camera, pero sa during na sa conference kami ito. Naka-stand na sir or remote?
Mas better ko rin, mount na kayo para hindi sa sandad-sandahan.
Pwede siya sa abad.
Oo.
Ito yung isa sa project na lang sa notice ko kung
I-mount siya.
nandayo ang range. Ito CCTV, siya lang daw.
Oo. Pwede mo lang butangin siya sa likod eh. I-mount na lang siya sa wall or dito sa back na.
Lakad mo ako. Ito na pati yun.
I-check
Barely.
nila Okay.
one
Ilang tablet?
isa ka na. And then sa camera, ilang natin.
Kung hindi mo ba nga pa-mention nila.